Hey guys, I posted this quick skincare routine on my Instagram and I wanted to show it to you guys here on YouTube as well. So I already cleansed my skin and now I'm just going in with this Derma toner. I like to do my face, neck, décolleté area as well as my back because I do tend to break out on my back during the summertime. And then I'm going in with this stem cell eye lifting treatment. This is my favorite eye cream from Derma. And if you saw my Instagram, you guys know we had a great partnership for an entire year, so I'm super thankful for that. They're an amazing brand that I've known and used since 2015. So now I'm going in with my vitamin C serum, which brightens up your skin and evens everything out. So after that's soaked in, I'm going in with my favorite moisturizer, which is the anti-wrinkle one from Derma. And this literally feels so good on my skin, and every time I put makeup over it, I get compliments on my skin and people telling me how good my makeup looks, and it's always whenever I use this moisturizer underneath it. So now I put my makeup on and I'm going to use this hydrating mist just to give my face some extra moisture, but you can use it underneath your makeup or anytime you like. And finally, I'm using this vitamin E hand cream. They have many different scents. The one I have here is lavender. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial and have an amazing day.